Today we are going to multiply one-digit numbers using partial products. We're going to multiply 87 times 3. Essentially what we are doing is multiplying 8 tens plus 7 ones by 3. Now when I look at what's in my parentheses, 8 tens plus 7 ones, that's going to give me 80 plus 7 times 3. So that then breaks down to 80 times 3 plus 7 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. And the only thing I'm going to do is add back the 0. Plus 7 times 3, which is 21. And it's a lot easier to rewrite this from horizontal to vertical. So what I could do is simply go 240 plus 21. I use my ones place first. 0 plus 1 is 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus 0 is 2. So my answer becomes 261. That is going to be the product. All right, so let's try to multiply the same number but a different way. We're going to start with 7 times 3, which is 21. So I'm going to put 21 here. I'm going to then add a 0 in the ones place and then multiply 8 times 3, which is 24. I'm then going to add this together. That's 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 4 is 6, and then bring down the 2. So my product is 261. Now let's try a two-digit number. We're working with the numbers 45 times 23. The first thing that we're going to do is look in the ones place, and we have 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So now we're looking in the tens place. This 4 is actually a 40. So what we're going to do is do 40 times 3, which we know 4 times 3 is 12. And then all I have to do is add back that 0. So now we have the 2, and remember the 2 is in the tens place, so that makes it a 20. So that's going to be 20 times 5. If you know that 2 times 5 is 10, and then add back that 0. And then lastly we have the 2 and the 4, which is 20 times 40, because we are in the tens place. That's going to be 20 times 40. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then we add back those zeros. Now all we have to do is add our partial products. So we have 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 0 plus 0 is still 3. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 8 is 10. So your product is 1,035. Now we can just multiply it using a standard algorithm. So we can do 5 times 3, which is 15. Place my 1 here, put my 5 here. 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 1 is 13. I use my 0 as a placeholder. 2 times 5 is 10. Put my 0 here. Carry my 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1, that's 9. So now I just add it. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 9 is 10. Put my comma, and my product is 1,035.